Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called SocialEarn. Whether you can actually make $500 today, which is what they claim, and also make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to be revealing some secrets about SocialEarn that you're going to want to know about before you actually go and join. So let's go and find out whether you can actually make any money online with SocialEarn. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the SocialEarn actual website here. It says here, make $500 today, get paid to invite friends, do surveys, download apps, test apps. But is it actually true, is what they're saying? Well, like I say, stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to uncover some secret truths that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join SocialEarn. And if you've already joined it as well, make sure you watch this video because this is going to be an enlightening for you. And I want to know whether you have joined it as well. Make sure you drop us a comment below. You've joined it, whether you've got paid, whether you're obviously waiting to get paid, anything like that, then drop us a comment below. But let's go and just check out more on SocialEarn. Now, first of all, how are you actually going to earn money? Now, as it says here, you're going to actually get paid to do surveys, test apps, etc. You also get a $25 bonus which you can claim just for joining. Okay, and also you can actually earn $10 for every user that you refer. So if you refer someone, you're going to get $10 into your account as well. They also give you $2 per click when people just click on your link. Okay, so they don't even have to join. All they have to do is click your link. You're going to get it $2. Now, first of all, guys, this is alarm bells for a start. But how are they going to pay you? I could generate thousands of clicks through my YouTube channel, and I would be getting $2 per click. So how are they going to pay this out to me? Well, like I say, stay tuned because we're going to show you exactly what we think of the company and whether it is a scam going forward. The first thing I want to look at is I want to go over to a site called who.is. Now, basically, this is a website where you can put in a domain name and it will tell you information about that domain name. So I've put in the socialearn.co domain name, and as you can see, it comes up here with a bit of information. First of all, this company here, the registrar info, Tusco's Domains Inc., is a little bit of a red flag as well to me because this is a renowned company that is okay with people with scam and untrue websites can be hosted on their servers, so they're okay with it. So first of all, that is a bit of a red flag to me. Also, we've got here, this tells you when the actual website was registered. So it says here it was registered back on 14th of September 2021. Now we're obviously just into the new year of 2022, so that works out about 3.5 months ago. So let's head back over to the SocialEarn website. And as you can see here, we can go on to the About Us tab. So let's find out more about this company. So it says, who are we? And it basically just says we're a community of millions of people who've chosen to share their opinions and complete offers in exchange for rewards. Well, that doesn't tell me who you are. And this basically is another red flag, guys, because it says here also they've had over 10 million affiliates from around the world join them on their online community. 10 million is a massive, massive amount of people. And when you think this site has only been going 3.5 months, so take that with a pinch of salt, guys. That probably is a fictitious figure. And again, there's nothing really else on here on the About page that actually tells you anything about the company. Doesn't tell you where they're registered, their address, any contact numbers, anything like that. So again, this is a red flag. Who is behind this company? We do not know. So if you go to the testimonials here, now these are video testimonials. There's about 10 or 11 on the site here. And if you play these, they are they are all very, very similar. They say exactly the same thing. They are only 15, 16, 30 seconds long, something like that maximum. And they basically just are telling you to go and join because you're going to get paid for taking surveys, etc. None of them have actually said, I have got paid. None of them do a proof that they've got paid or anything like that. So I, again, think these are just all fictitious videos that they've got people just to either do, or they've gone onto a site such as Fiverr, where you can actually get people to create a testimonial video for $5. But I don't even think these are as good as what you can get on there. These are just, basically, they've given them a script, told them what to say, and they've just gone and done it and said it. And it only takes 15 seconds to do a testimonial. Well, that's not a testimonial, is it? 2 or 3 minutes is a good testimonial, not 15 seconds. So again, I would take these with a pinch of salt. If you're still on the fence and you still think, well, yeah, but they're going to pay me out, let's have a look at the live payments then, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, member payouts and rewards. So as we scroll down, you'll see obviously they've made up various different chats. This is an Instagram chat. This is a Facebook chat. It says they've received $1,500 from SocialEarn Limited. Well, for a start, it's not a limited company because I've checked that. So there is no such thing as SocialEarn Limited as a company. We scroll further down and we look at this one here, and as you can see here, remember the date of when they actually registered the website, 14th of September 2021. Well, this transaction date was back on the 26th of August 2021. So something is not adding up here, guys, because this obviously is looking as if it's a fake image here that they've created themselves. And you can actually go and create these very, very simple, guys. I found a website here, fill in fake Facebook chat generator. You can just go in here and you can add in all these different details. You can add in whatever text you like. And you can also do loads of other different ones here. You can do Instagram, you can do TikTok, you can do Twitter, YouTube. So all of these payment proofs that they're showing right here are obviously created within an app or a website just like that. So again, this isn't a real website, guys. Yes, they are going to get paid for you taking the surveys for them, because that's probably what's happening. Is you're taking the surveys, they are actually getting paid a very small amount, probably 50 cents or something like that for taking the survey. And then obviously they're not passing it on to you, but they're saying that you're going to get $20, $25, $30 for doing that survey. So you're going to obviously do the survey for them. So like I say, this is not very good at all. Go down right to the bottom. There are social accounts here, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Now I went and had a look at these sites here, and as you can see from what I found out, we've got the Instagram post here, the SocialEarn.co. This was their first post, and this was dated 14th of September 2021. This was their first post on their Twitter account. Exactly the same post, same image, and this was 20th of September 2021. They've also got a Facebook page. Oh, surprise, surprise, same image. 22nd of September 2021. So they're all around September time 2021, which was when the actual website was actually created, as it says where it was registered on who.ie. So this tallies, and this shows you that these social accounts weren't around before then. So this backs up that that date is absolutely correct of what they've done. And if you go onto their social accounts, like their Twitter, most of their tweets are just what they've retweeted that people have obviously said. So, and what they'd say is they get you to actually go and promote on the actual sites, and all they've done, they've set up a bot to actually go and grab any tweet that has got their name on it, then obviously retweet it. So it looks as if they're active, but they're not really active on their sites at all. So again, if we're down the bottom here, if we look at their terms and conditions here as well, through this, and their terms and conditions are really quite a good read. And basically they are just, every time they are going through, they're basically saying why they're not going to pay you. So you really need to read this, guys, but it's a bit of a joke. But as you can see, these terms were last updated back in May the 14th, 2021. So again, that date is totally fictitious and obviously is not true because this website wasn't even created back then. So basically, guys, I would stay well clear of SocialEarn. If you want a legit way to actually go and earn money, doing surveys and things like that, I'll put a playlist at the end of this video, which you can actually go and look at those sites. But you're not going to get $10, $20, $30 per survey, guys. You're only going to get a few cents, maybe $1 or so. It's not going to be a lot. These sites, they do pay out if they're legit, but they only pay out small amounts, okay? So just make sure you know that. If you want to obviously join something that's going to earn you more money and more potential, then obviously check out my #1 recommendation in the description below here as well. Okay, so that's it. I would definitely would not sign up for SocialEarn. As I think you can gather from the information I've given you here, it is very, very skeptical about whether people are actually going to get paid out on this. And I don't think you are going to get paid out. It's as simple as that. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button below. Also, don't forget to watch these videos here, this playlist. This is all legit sites that I've actually used and drawn money out. And they're all obviously sites that you can start using today for free. Okay, don't forget also to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.